Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a light assembly in your canopy vent hood, be sure to turn off the power supply to the hood. Use a plastic putty knife to help pry the malfunctioning light assembly out of the hood frame. Disconnect the wire connector to remove the old assembly. Install the new light assembly by first connecting the wire connector. Now align the tabs on the assembly with the notches in the frame and snap the assembly into place. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the vent hood should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.